Best AI School Community. Today I'm joined with Julian Goldie, who has got the #1 school community when it comes down to advanced artificial intelligence trainings, learnings, network, and building that relationship. So Julian, with regard to the AI Profit Boardroom, first and foremost, why did you create the AI Profit Boardroom on Skool as being the AI community? Why was it built on that platform?
Yeah, specifically on Skool because it's designed to connect people, to build a great community. It's easy, for example, to direct message each other. There's no limit on direct messages that you can send. And also, it's like a very simple platform. So it's very easy on Skool to post and to understand it. And I think within literally about 10 to 15 minutes, you kind of get the platform. You're like, right, this is easy to use, this Skool platform.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I love the Skool platform for, like you said, the messaging of what can be being done. I use like Facebook sometimes. I'm moving away and I'm on Facebook, I'm in different groups and stuff like that, and I'm just a bit all over the place, where when I'm coming into the AI Profit Boardroom, I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking to level up my knowledge on artificial intelligence and the different LLMs. So what's the latest kind of tips and tricks and SOPs I could be doing on Grok or Perplexity or ChatGPT? What's people using with regards to Claude co-work for, Claude Code, Claude for Chrome, the extension, what they're scraping, what they're doing. I know I can go into that Skool group that's run by yourself, and I know it's going to be active, and I know that literally as soon as something is updated with regards to the next ChatGPT update, I know within 3 or 4 hours there's going to be people showing the pros and the cons, what they can do with it, and examples. And that's what I love and why I believe that the AI Profit Boardroom is the #1 AI Skool community. But if anyone wants to sign up to the Skool community, what's the best way of them kind of going over and signing up to the AI Profit Boardroom?
Yeah, so you can sign up to the AI Profit Boardroom Skool Community by going to aiprofitboardroom.com, or you can just Google like AI Profit Boardroom and you'll be able to find it.
Just before we end it, Julian, I want to kind of just extend it slightly. If someone does sign up with regards to the Skool group, obviously it's like a private mastermind, things are being shared in there that's very advanced, that's not sometimes in the public domain. What advice would you give to someone that signs up to the AI Profit Boardroom that's never used Skool before? What tips and tricks would you give for someone who's first signing up to that Skool group, like for them to get the most out of it?
Yeah, so #1 thing is there's a start here post pinned once you join the Skool community. And right at the top of the platform, you can see, okay, here's the next 2 steps to focus on. The second tip that I'd recommend is that you just take your time and you enjoy it. You know, like for example, if you try and read every post in a Facebook group, it's going to be super messy. Whereas like if you go through and you're like, oh wow, there's so much value here, I'm just going to take my time, enjoy the journey, look through the Skool platform. That's the best way to do it. And then also I would say just focus on one thing at a time. So if you're trying to learn AI automation and you're trying to get the most out of that AI community, the best way to do that is to just focus on like one automation per week and then just build from there.
Yeah, for sure. I'd say for me, the best bit of advice for anyone who's first joining a Skool group is your mindset that every day is a school day, right? That you are not the expert that knows everything, and don't be shy of asking questions. If someone pops up with something and you're not quite certain what they mean, leave a comment and ask a question like, what would you do in this scenario? Don't be shy of asking those questions. I know there's certain people that are AI consultants and AI gurus, and they want to be seen as being #1 in their lane, and they're shy of asking questions, and they're always going to be held back by not asking them. There's always updates every single day. There's always different angles that can be done. So if you go and join the best AI Skool community for artificial intelligence, which is the AI Profit Boardroom, don't be shy. Go and do those connections and go and ask those questions, and you will get so much from it. Julian, it's been an absolute pleasure. And make sure you go and sign up to that AI Profit Boardroom.